Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Green. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Winona. I'm an OBGYN. And for some of you, I'm your personal doctor, and I want to answer questions. And so, one of the questions that comes up a lot is I'm almost 60. Is it unsafe for me to take hormone replacement therapy? And the answer is no. And the key to that question is the almost 60. And so, scientists run all kinds of statistics to look and give us guidelines on when things are safe and when things are not safe. One of the problems with the menopause transition is that estrogen is very important for cardiovascular health. And so as the estrogen decreases through menopause, risk of heart attack goes up. If somebody has a history of heart disease, giving them estrogen can all of a sudden can increase their risk of heart attack, usually for about 2 years. And so we don't generally want to give hormone replacement therapy to people with a history of heart disease. However, estrogen in and of itself is cardioprotective. It helps decrease that risk of heart disease, but really only in women that don't already have a heart problem. And so the longer your estrogen levels are low, the higher your risk of heart attack and other cardiovascular problems. And so for women that go through menopause and aren't on hormone replacement therapy, that risk is going up and up. And by 60, there's a fairly substantial number that actually have some heart disease, even if they don't know about it. And so we use 60 as a cutoff. So women over 60, it's generally considered unsafe to start hormone replacement therapy for the first time because it can cause a problem with heart attack, stroke, or other problems. However, 60 is a cutoff, and we have cutoffs for reasons. So that's a statistical point where the benefit of hormone replacement therapy before 60 outweighs the risk. After 60, the risks get pretty high, and so the pendulum swings. So as long as you're not 60 yet, the data says that it's safe to start hormone replacement therapy. If you're 59, if you're 59 and a half, this is the time to do it because the clock is running out. And so again, we use these cutoffs for a reason, and the cutoffs are important. So as long as you're not yet 60, it would be safe to start hormone replacement therapy, assuming you don't have other things like already have an established heart disease or other problems. But as far as the pure age thing, as long as you're not 60 yet, even if you're 59 and 3/4, it would be safe to start hormone replacement therapy.